Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, today I have something very interesting for you. We're preparing a cough mix. It's concoction. We have our ingredient well listed by the side. Garlic, which is very good to boost immunity with it, and we have our ginger, lemon. This ginger, all you need to do is to clean it up, blend, but grated. And this is our beautiful lemon. Here guys, I love the lemon, very rich with antioxidants and vitamin C. It's the major antioxidant. This is garlic. Or you could blend all of it together, but I have to do this for someone who will not have blender or light at the moment, considering where we are at the moment, which is Nigeria. So you have those 4 items, and then you need a teaspoon to measure your lemon and the olive oil. So first you start by cleaning up your herbs, the ginger, the garlic, and trust me guys, I prefer to use the table knife, because it's easy to use and it's not so sharp. So all you need to do is to add up everything. That's ginger, garlic, all grated together, and then you mix up with a teaspoonful of the olive oil. And then we're going to add some lemon extract to it. This is going to be 2 of the teaspoon full, to give you that sour taste, which will help you to swallow the garlic and ginger with ease. Trust me guys, this is very good. And then all you need to do is to let it sit. I had to add more of the olive oil because it was not enough, and you let it sit for about 10 minutes, because the garlic works better when it's exposed, and the enzyme activity is what we need. So guys, this is perfect. So let it sit for about 15 minutes in the room temperature. Yeah, we are good. So I'm going to have just a teaspoonful at the moment, and trust me, this went perfectly well. So that's all. You can stir up for subsequent use.